Hello everyone! We're excited to bring you the latest updates about tools and features designed to make your work more efficient and streamline your processes. Let's explore the highlights of Maintenance Release 117 and see how these new improvements can enhance your workflow. First on the list today is faster troubleshooting for API requests. Great news for developers! With MR117, the apps you build can now pass a unique identifier in the Xtrace ID header for each API request. This identifier is returned with the response, allowing you to quickly trace errors in the logs and correlate them with debugging data from the application side. Imagine you're developing a customer portal and an API request fails. With the Xtrace ID in place, you can easily pinpoint the issue and determine whether it was due to invalid data sent from your app or something else, like a temporary error on PortaSwitch side during scheduled maintenance. This improvement means faster problem solving and less time spent debugging. Next, let's discuss our second improvement: advanced bulk account management. You can now use the API to update multiple accounts for a specific customer in bulk, whether it's all accounts or just those sharing the same associated product, email, domain, or other attributes. Even if they belong to different account batches, this feature handles them all. For example, if your customer, ABC Company, needs spam protection for all users with email addresses ending in @abccompany.com, you can automate the process using a script that filters accounts by email domain and applies rules in bulk. This streamlines account management and automates repetitive tasks, saving you both time and effort. Our third feature introduces bandwidth control using the netElastic Virtual Broadband Network Gateway, or simply vBNG. Mobile virtual network operators, MVNOs, often rely on their host mobile network operator, MNO, to manage internet speed limits, which reduces flexibility and delays new product launches. As an alternative, all traffic used by MVNO subscribers can be routed through a netElastic vBNG. This allows you to take control and independently configure bandwidth profiles, switching users from high speed to reduced speed once a data cap is reached, without needing involvement from your MNO. PortaSwitch authenticates and authorizes user sessions, checks the remaining internet quota, and instructs the vBNG on which bandwidth profile to apply for each session by sending a request that includes the username, IP address, and assigned bandwidth profile. The vBNG can then identify the user's traffic among other IP packets and apply the appropriate processing based on the source IP address provided by PortaSwitch. Now let's look at our last but not least improvement: user-friendly pass-through header configuration. When handling SIP requests, security is crucial, and PortaSwitch removes unknown headers to prevent leaking sensitive information from one network segment to another. However, some headers are necessary for specific services. For example, the diversion header, which stores call forwarding information, may be required by vendors to support their anti-spoofing measures. It helps verify the authenticity of forwarded calls, ensuring that the call is genuinely from the original caller and not an imposter. In MR117, configuring switch headers should pass through PortaSwitch has become much more user-friendly. Admins can now select common headers like diversion from a drop-down menu and receive warnings for conflicting settings. This greatly reduces errors and typos compared to manually entering these headers. That's all for today's overview of PortaSwitch Maintenance Release 117. Whether you are troubleshooting API requests, managing multiple accounts, or controlling internet bandwidth as an MVNO, MR117 has you covered. As always, if you found this video helpful, give us a like, drop any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.